Question 1. Who was the 2011 Census Commissioner of India? Correct answer is A. C. M. Chandramouli. Question 2. The slogan of Census 2011 was. Correct answer is C. Our census, our future. Question 3. Which of the following ministries of the Government of India conducts census work in the country? Correct answer is C. Ministry of Home Affairs. Question 4. Who is known as the father of Indian census? Correct answer is B. Henry Walter. Question 5. What was the total population of India, according to 2011 census? Correct answer is B. 1.21 billion. Question 6. Which Indian state holds the highest population according to census 2011? Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 7. According to census 2011, which one of the following states has the lowest population in India? Correct answer is A. Sikkim. Question 8. According to census 2011, which state has negative population growth? Correct answer is B. Nagaland. Question 9. According to the 2011 census, which of the following states has the highest growth rate of population? Correct answer is C. Meghalaya. Question 10. Which city has the highest population in India, as per census 2011? Correct answer is C. Mumbai. Question 11. As per the 2011 census, which one of the following states has the highest urban population in India? Correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Question 12. According to 2011 census, which one of the following states has the largest rural population in India? Correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Question 13. As per the 2011 census, which one among the following Indian Union territories has the most populace? Correct answer is A. Delhi. Question 14. Which union territory has the least population based on census 2011? Correct answer is B. Lakshadweep. Question 15. What was the sex ratio in India according to the census of India 2011? Correct answer is A. 0.943 females per 1000 males. Question 16. Child sex ratio of India as per 2011 census is. Correct answer is D. 919. Question 17. As per census 2011, which state has the highest sex ratio in India? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 18. Among the Indian states, which has the lowest sex ratio according to census 2011? Correct answer is A. Haryana. Question 19. What is the population density of India as per the census 2011? Correct answer is A. 382. Question 20. Which Indian state has the highest population density according to census 2011? Correct answer is B. Bihar. Question 21. Among the Indian states, which has the lowest population density as per census 2011? Correct answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 22. The density of population is defined as the number of persons per square. Correct answer is D. Kilometer. Question 23. What was the literacy rate in India according to the Census of India 2011? Correct answer is B. 74.04%. Question 24. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate according to Census 2011? Correct answer is B. Kerala. Question 25. Among the Indian states, which has the lowest literacy rate according to Census 2011? Correct answer is A. Bihar. Question 26. Which of the following is the most literate district in India as per Census 2011? Correct answer is C. Sechip. Question 27. What is the literacy rate for males in India according to the Census of India 2011? Correct answer is C. 82.14%. Question 28. What is the literacy rate for females in India according to the Census of India 2011? Correct answer is A. 65.46%. Question 29. What is the difference between the literacy rates of males and females in India according to the Census of India 2011? Correct answer is C. 16.68%. Question 30. Who was the mascot of 2011 Indian Census? Correct answer is B. A woman enumerator. Question 31. Census 2011 was the census of India and census after independence. Correct answer is C. 15th, 7th. Question 32. According to Census 2011, how many districts are included? Correct answer is A. 640. Question 33. The first census of independent India was conducted in 1951 AD. Who was the census commissioner at that time? Correct answer is C.R.A. Gopalaswamy. Question 34. Census in India was first started under in the year 1872. Correct answer is D. Lord Mayo. Question 35. Which year is known as the year of demographic divide? Correct answer is A. 1921. Question 36. What was the most spoken language in India according to the Census of India 2011? Correct answer is B. Hindi. Question 37. According to the 2011 Census of India, a person age and above, who can read and write with understanding in any language, is considered literate. Correct answer is A. 7.